From the warm blue skies and world-famous beaches to the bustling commerce and cosmopolitan flavor, Miami is undoubtedly a wonderful place to live. Within its boundaries, you'll find the beautiful residential community of Palmetto Bay, located east of US 1 and just south of Pinecrest. It's called a village of parks. Set on a 15,625 square foot corner lot with a new roof, this Bermuda-style home has incredible curb appeal and will make your heart skip a beat. Timeless and functional, the floor plan is all one level. The inviting formal living and dining areas have great natural light and lovely views of the pool and grounds through CGI impact French doors. The home was freshly painted inside and out, and rich Santos mahogany wood floors flow through the entertaining areas and bedrooms. A chef's delight, the kitchen is updated with Omega cabinets, granite countertops, stainless KitchenAid appliances, and travertine floors. The adjoining family room is sure to be a favorite spot, with access to the oversized two-car garage and pool. The family wing boasts a total of 4 bedrooms and 2 brand-new bathrooms. The home is located in a top-rated public school district and offers close proximity to many of Miami's finest private schools, including Gulliver, Westminster, and Palmer Trinity. Generously proportioned, the master bedroom is complete with crown moldings, a walk-in closet, and modern ensuite bathroom with walk-in shower and impact cabana door. Relax and enjoy the South Florida lifestyle with a pool, covered patio, and sprawling private fenced backyard with just a side and rear neighbor. The green space in front offers ample parking for all the barbecues, birthday parties, and holiday feasts you'll be inspired to host. From every perspective, this home is simply gorgeous. For additional information, please contact Bridget Prio.